Welcome back to the Hillbilly RV channel. Today, working on a water pump. I hope this job goes better than every other job I've had this week. I've not had a good week. I've really only fixed one thing this week, and it was a blown fuse on a truck. Just not been a good week. These people called the other day, said their water pump wasn't working, and so we met them today, and we're going to see if we can figure it out. The pump doesn't run at all. I hear no noise at all. So that makes me think electrical, but I don't know. I don't know. We're gonna see if we can figure it out. Usually when a water pump quits working in an RV, the motor still runs, it just quits pumping water. But this one, apparently the motor's not even running. So let's grab some tools and go see if we can figure out what's up with this thing. Now, like I say, normally we just listen for the noise and follow our ear to find the pump, but we're just gonna have to go searching for this one. Well, not there.
Found it?
Nope, not there.
Oh, not there.
Not there. Search will continue.
Sorry.
All right. Well, after removing, I don't know what, 5, 6 access panels, finally found it. Let me show you. Had to remove that wall. Had to remove that wall. There's our water pump. So, anybody see a problem here?
How do you get a screwdriver on that?
I don't think that wire's supposed to be off like that.
We can put it on and try it.
Yeah, we are. We can find that terminal up in there. Huh. I'm gonna have to go get a mirror, folks. I don't know, maybe that terminal's damaged up in there. Huh. I don't know. It doesn't seem to want to plug in. Go get a mirror and look up in there and see if that terminal maybe is turned over. I can't find it. Oh, okay. Forgot to push the start button. I was trying to plug that in here.
We got water, brother.
Yeah, and it just came unplugged again. Hang on. You can hear it. It's making noise. It's pumping water. I guess this female spade connector is spread. That's why. I mean, you just touch it and it falls out. Look. Yeah, he's had a little leak here too, so we're gonna check all these connections that we can check and make sure that everything's tight. But yeah, I think this one's done. I need to reach in there with a pair of pliers and squeeze that female spade together a little bit so it'll fit tighter, so it don't fall off again. But yeah, shame we had to remove so many panels, because you would have thought it would have been in the kitchen. That's where I went first, and then there was an access panel beside the bed. I thought maybe there's one in the bathroom. I thought maybe. I thought it's got to be out here, so we found it. Now, you may be asking yourself, why was I trying to access the water pump? Well, just this. I wanted to check power, make sure the water pump was getting power. Now, like I said, I'm just going to take a pair of pliers, squeeze that connector just on one side. Nope, I have to do both sides. It just fits really loose. All I'm doing is trying to make that, take that female spade connector and make it, the gap smaller, so it just fits better. But yeah, because if I hadn't found the wire off, you know, I would have wanted to check power. There we go. Now it's good. I would have wanted to check power here at the pump, make sure we were getting power here. But as soon as I seen the wire off, I knew what it was. But that's why we were trying to find a water pump, because it didn't appear like we had a bad fuse. So that's why I wanted to check power at the pump when there was no need to check it because the wire was off. Everybody got that? So hey, I finally got to fix one. Yay! And it didn't cost him a $200 water pump. Them water pumps are almost 200 bucks now. So finally a win this week. It's hump day. It's hump day, and I got my first real win. So it's not been a good week. So don't y'all have a bad week. Get down in there in the comment section. Leave me a comment, criticism, concern. Don't forget to check out my website, hillbillyrv.net. And I'm gonna go up road and we'll check on an air conditioner. May do a video on that. Y'all have a great day.